Got me out here today to fill dual capacitor. This is the old one. We have the new capacitor installed in its place. So we're gonna kick it on and see what happens. And we'll also test how much power the compressor, the heart of the air conditioner, is using when it turns on. My meter will tell us where we're at. Here the data plate tells us that the very maximum is 72.2, so ideally we're gonna want to be anywhere from 45 to 65. The lower the better, but we never want to be at 72 or going over it. So let's kick it on and see what we're testing at. And I'll also test the motors while they're running. 3, let me add this up. 2, 1. Okay, our compressor is turning on at 91.2, so using too much power to turn on. So this is when I would highly recommend that a hard start kit to help the system turn on easier and prolong the life of the compressor and the dual capacitor as well.